The Port of Hamburg, always working with an eye on the future. Digitalization is proceeding apace in many areas of the port's activities. The goal of all these projects is to generate even more efficiency. Faster goods processing and an energy concept that spares resources bring a host of advantages for the Port of Hamburg and the companies located here. In part 2 of our look at the year ahead, we're again joined by the Hamburg Port Authority's Chief Executive Jens Meyer, and we're going to look at the upcoming developments and projects. One such project involving the terminals is known as slot management. The idea is to better coordinate arrival and departure times. Another important project is Port Protect. The idea, flood and natural disaster protection measures are to be underpinned by digital resources. So maps, current events and forecasts can be calculated and integrated into the system in real time. So here you can change settings. The port is divided into various areas. They correspond to various polders, and here you can click on individual polders and the system zooms in. You can see what the status of the polder is, whether it's being worked on or closed. That's important for central control. And you can also see how high the floodwaters would be by moving this slider. It's a kind of simulation, so that you can intervene in a targeted manner if evacuations are necessary.
Auch dementsprechend bei Evakuierungsmaßnahmen und so weiter gezielt eingreifen kann.
Digital solutions and assistance can only be optimally exploited if infrastructure is adapted for the purpose. And that process is ongoing in many parts of the port. In particular, bridges are being modernized and in some cases even being rebuilt from scratch. We've always said that Smart Port is a vision, a strategy, an overarching concept. And the new rated drawbridge is a key building block. We need it to simplify transport routes. While building, we made sure that the control software is installed so that, for example, you can lift the bridge remotely. One major project is the Katwijk Bridge. What's happening there? What can we expect in 2016? Well, again, it's about simplifying transport routes. The new Katwijk Bridge is purely a rail bridge, with the idea of increasing the speed of rail freight turnover. And the old Katwijk Bridge will be devoted to road traffic, opening up another access road to the harbour, and to the new A26, which will hopefully come soon. It's intended to ease the burden on the port, as well as increase the speed of traffic leaving or entering. The boom in the cruise liner industry is set to continue in 2016. 160 cruise ships are expected to call at Hamburg, and many of the ships will be able to tap into the port's energy network during their stay. Do you think container ships will exploit this facility as well? Well, for several months we've been cooperating with the German Economics Ministry and Chinese government representatives and Chinese shipping companies. We want to create what we call a green shipping line to connect Hamburg and Shanghai. We've had a lot of talks already. We've got various ideas about how to integrate container ships, and we think the project will be operating soon. So we'll gather experience here, and then we'll know what the demand is for container ships to use it and how we can implement it.
And that was our second part of the harbour journey together with Jens Meyer. Thanks for watching us and see you next time. And as we say in Hamburg, tschüss.